There's a horrific accident in Gujarat's Rajkot that's come to light, wherein a speeding car rams into a divider, splits it into two, and parts of that car then lands on the opposite sides of the road. Two have been killed in this horrifying accident. Two have been injured in this very Rajkot accident. The injured have been rushed to the hospital, and cops have now launched a probe into what exactly led to the very accident. Let me first bring you what the police had to say on this before we proceed with the discussion.
जूनागढ़ की ओर से आते हुए जतपुर की तरफ आने में जो ओवरब्रिज लगता है उसके साथ टकरा के ये स्कोडा वाइट कलर की GJ3 ER 9351 उसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, जिसमें 4 पैसेंजर सवार थे और अरुण प्रफुल्ल भाई वाड़ा, मुस्कान हरेश भाई बगड़ा, जयदीप किशोर भाई चौहान, ये तीनों की मौत हो गई है। और अमीश चन्ना भाई परमार, जिसको भी चोट आने की वजह से उसको जूनागढ़ रिफ़र किया गया है। ये बनाव का कारण अभी पुलिस तपास में ओवर स्पीड लग रहा है, क्योंकि जो गाड़ी टकराई है उसमें भी काफ़ी डैमेज है और पूरे 2 भाग हो गए हैं, तो इसकी वजह अभी ओवर स्पीड मानी जा रही है।
Brajesh, what are you learning about this very accident? Because the police has to say that this seems to be a case of overspeeding, but they're still not sure because the investigation has just begun. Do take us through the details that you are gathering on this.
This horrific incident took place in the early hours of today at the Jetalsar Junction of Jetalsar Junction railway bridge in Jethpur in the Rajkot district. A young man and a young woman died on the spot, while the other friend of them died in the hospital while taken to the hospital. They were returning from the grand fair being held in Junagadh on the Mahashivratri. Today is the Mahashivratri festival, and there was a grand fair being held in Junagadh. They were returning from there, and in the wee hours of today, early hours of today, this incident, horrific incident, happened in the on the overbridge while the car rams into the divider, and it broke into 2 parts. It split into 2 parts. So we can see that because of the overspeeding, police officials have confirmed that this is the reason. Because of the overspeeding, this lands into the accident, and the opposite side of the road, how the car rams into the divider. We can see the visuals. The visuals is explaining this, how horrific this incident was, and that's why the police is claiming that now the update is that 3 persons died and 1 is injured.
Right, Brajesh, thank you for bringing us all those details on this particular story.